If you have received a policy violation warning from Google, the video for today is going to be very important for you, because if you do not follow these instructions, your account may just get permanently restricted. And once your Google account is restricted, it is very difficult to actually get access to your account again. So I want you to watch my video completely till the end so that you know what you should be doing after you get this warning. Google is not going to go ahead and ban your account for no reason, or they're just not going to send you a notification for no reason. These guys follow whatever activity we do, and whenever they think that any of our activity is going to go against or is going against their policy, they may just send us a notification like this. And if you are a person who has received this kind of a notification, you should be alerted about it so that in the future your account doesn't get banned. So the first thing what you need to do is, as soon as you get this violation warning, you need to go ahead and click on this tab that you understood this warning. It is going to acknowledge the fact that yes, you received the notification, you understood what is going on, and you are going to stop that kind of a violation on Google. That is the first thing to do. Simple and easy. Okay, because as soon as you log into your Google account on which you get this kind of a violation, this is going to be the pop-up. After you click on this tab that you understood this warning, you're going to get access to your account, no problem. The next thing to do is avoid sending bulk emails at one go. So maybe you're using Google to send bulk SMSs to promote maybe a work online scheme or something like that. Don't do all those things. It's not good. It's not allowed by Google. It's going against their spam policy. Common sense. Don't do those things. Now, apart from these 2 points, another point for you to remember is to ensure that you're not misusing your Google account to make unsolicited calls to people for maybe some schemes or whatever it is. You may be doing video calls or something, or making a call. I get these type of calls sometimes and I just ignore them. You shouldn't be doing that. You may be in the habit of promoting Ponzi schemes or whatever it is to other people living in other countries. Avoid doing such unsolicited calls. Good reason. I mean, Google is giving us a facility to utilize the applications for absolutely free. I think they give us like 15 GB of free space. That's a lot of space for us to do emails or store photos and videos and stuff like that. Use it for the good. Don't do all these spammy things, and you're never ever going to get into a problem. So if you have any further questions or doubts, do let me know in the comment section below, or you could even send me an email. I'll do my best to help you with anything related to the video for today. Take care, my friend.